So, what I want you to do is focus on a place, wherever that is. The pain lives inside you. Wherever that is for you today, in this moment. And immediately as you connect with it, there's a whole litany of story, of narratives, of coloring to this pain. Do your best to not get hooked in by it. Do your best to just stand and observe, like a neutral observer that's just paying attention objectively to it. This is real important, so see if you can establish that. And sometimes just doing that, wow, the pain releases. So sometimes it's not so much. So that's where we use, in this case, we're going to do some EFT tapping. If you're new to it, I'm going to go over the channels and the points. So first one, we call it karate chop point. It's right on the TAI YIN meridian, otherwise known as the small intestine. We're going to tap right here, right on the edge, not over here, not on this side, right on the edge, okay? Just like that. Just tapping on it. Just breathing, being neutral, and I'm just gonna say out loud, even though I'm experiencing this pain, this discomfort, I'm choosing to love and accept it fully. Breathe with me. Even though I don't want to feel this pain, I don't like it. I don't want it here. I want it to go away. I'm going to choose to open my heart and love and accept it fully. Breathe that in. There we go. Now it's really starting to move. Great. So that's the initiator right there. I can feel already in my body, energy channels are opening up. Okay. Now from there, we're going to go right here, the inside of the eyebrows. Tapping like that. You can do one or the other, but I just do both. And you can say something, whatever is close to your heart. I'm just going to go through my process and maybe it'll connect with your process. Oh, the pain I'm feeling right now. I don't want to feel that. I don't want to feel that. So it's good to voice what is here. So I don't want to feel this right now. Right. And then over here to the sides, for the temple, in the front part of the temple, right? I can't stand how this pain just won't go away. It just keeps coming back, keeps bothering me, just so insistent. Right? There it is, right? This activates the TAI Yang, the gallbladder, right? So all that, I don't want to feel it, kicking, right? When we were 3 or 4, kicking out. Yeah. All right, next point is right here, the Yang Ming or stomach channel below the eyes, right? The cheekbone, just tapping here. Breathing in and out, I'm saying, man, this sucks. This sucks to feel this. Oh, it sucks. Oh, hate it. Don't like it. Oh, it sucks. Oh. Good. And the next one right here, below the nose. Tapping here. Right here, it's like, man, it's hard to stay present with this. Hard to continue to be with it, to live with it. And down to the chin. Is it gonna be okay? Am I gonna be okay? I don't know. Just like that. Just being present with what's coming up right now. For some of you, it might be hard to be present with that. That's okay. Just follow along. Use my words. That helps. Then you're going to come just below the collarbone right here. I'm just going to tap right here. You can use both. Yeah, and this one's like, it's been just really hard. It's just been super hard having to deal with this and be with this every day. It's just been really hard. Yeah. Feeling that, acknowledging that. It hasn't been easy for you. Then underneath the armpit, right? Not in the armpit, but just below it. Right there, tapping there. Would I be willing to accept this pain? Is there any space for me to accept it? And then go to the top of the head, right here. Taking a deep breath. As I accept this pain, what am I opening up to? What am I allowing to change inside me? To be willing to see with new eyes, new understanding, to grow through releasing. And come back down to here. You can just say, pain, I'm sorry. I'm sorry the way I've spoke to you. I'm sorry the way I viewed you. I looked at you. I treated you. And out here. Even though it's been really hard to be with you, I'm now starting to see you and meet you feeling okay. Underneath the eyes, please forgive me. Please forgive me for any wrongdoing, any way I've been holding grievances against you or anyone else here, including myself. That's a big one. Releasing there. Down here, below the nose. And accepting myself, accepting the pain that is here, is my way of saying I love you. It's okay. It's okay for you to be here. I can love you. I can make more space in my heart to love you. Breathe that in. And down here, through loving you and opening up, I'm willing to accept that I don't know I don't know what the next turn's gonna be. I don't know what the next breath is gonna look like. I just don't know. And just coming to, again, deeper acceptance, being okay with it. Like that. There you go. Energy moving. And then right here to your chest. I love you. I've acknowledged I'm sorry and forgiveness, loving. And now I'm coming to a place of realization. I'm okay. You're okay. And I can be grateful. I can open my heart even more to allow more gratitude, more blessing to come in. To know that this has just been a simple catalyst, this pain, to move, to teach me, to deepen my heart, accepting more, having more compassion, having more love. And I feel that towards it. And then the armpit again. Really feeling the last little bits of the release, letting go any thoughts I have around this, any story or narrative. I don't need to carry anymore. Why? Because I have a bigger future. I have a brighter future. And that future includes me releasing this in this moment. And then up top of the head, really fully now integrating all of this through your whole body. I'm okay. It'll be okay regardless. Releasing the fear, releasing the anxiety, all the attachment you've had around this pain, you can let go in this moment. I am free, I am whole, and I am blessed. So it is. Take a deep breath. So it is, so it is. Thy will be done. May it be thy be done for you, and all your tension and pain be transmuted into the blessing that's here for you, and the miracle that you are. So I encourage you to do this over and over with my really chronic pain clients. I have them do this minimum 3 times a day, sometimes 5 times a day. And you will feel the energy move, and you will feel the pain transmute. That I can say with confidence, it will happen as you do this. All right, thank you. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.